Hi, this is Samantha with Repair My Moonwalk, and today we're going to be showing you a modification we're doing on this inflatable. It's actually a brand new jumper, but depending on the manufacturer, when you purchase a jumper new, they don't always come with a zipper, and with the zippers it makes it 2 or 3 times easier to deflate the unit, and it just makes it a whole lot less of a hassle. And so we're going to be installing this zipper today on the inflatable. We also have DIY zippers, so you can install these zippers yourself, but some people prefer to have it professionally installed, so we're actually going to stitch this on an inflatable, so it's going to be very secure and very permanent, and we're going to show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so here's what the zipper looks like once it's installed on the jumper. And this is a completely permanent install. You're not going to worry about this ever coming off because we stitched it inside, and now you have a deflation flap, so it'll make it so much easier. Every time you take down this inflatable, it will be so much faster every single time. And so if you want to learn more about getting a zipper installed on your inflatable, be sure to check us out at repairmymoonwalk.com.